In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search GoHighLevel toll-free number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can quickly find a toll-free option that fits your brand and use case. First, sign in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. This is the location-level workspace where you manage phone numbers, messaging, and calling. Make sure you're logging into the correct sub-account and that you have permission to manage phone settings, since only users with the right access can add numbers. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll find it in the main navigation. Settings is where you configure core features for the sub-account, so it's the right place to manage phone tools and add new lines. Inside Settings, open Phone System. Think of this as your command center for numbers, routing, and voice capabilities. This is where you'll perform searches and manage any existing lines. Next, select Add Number. This tells GoHighLevel you want to bring a new line into your account, which will open the number selection workflow. From there, click Add Phone Number. This launches the search interface so you can look up available numbers rather than assigning an existing one. Now, choose Filter. Filters help narrow your results so you don't waste time scrolling through options you don't need. Even if you're just exploring, it's smart to use filters to target exactly what you're after. In the number type section, make sure to check Toll-Free. This is the key step. Selecting toll-free limits the search to numbers that start with prefixes like 800, 888, 877, and similar, which are perfect for nationwide reach and brand consistency. If you plan to use messaging on a toll-free number, keep in mind that carriers often require verification for higher messaging throughput, so plan ahead for that process. When your filter is set, click Apply. GoHighLevel will display all available toll-free numbers that match your criteria. Review the options and choose a number that's easy to say, easy to remember, and aligns with your brand. Short, repetitive patterns or clean sequences usually work best. If you don't see many results, try loosening other search filters or check back later since inventory can update frequently. Also, keep an eye on any cost indicators in the interface, so you're selecting a number that fits your budget and usage needs. That's it. Simple and fast. Log in. Go to Settings, open Phone System, add a number, use the filter, select Toll-Free, apply, and pick the best match. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.